In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an aesthetic, cozy planner in Notion, whether you're new to Notion or have been using it for a while. Creating a customized planner can help you stay organized and motivated. Let's dive right in. First and foremost, let's start by creating a cozy homepage. Your homepage is the gateway to your planner, setting the tone for everything else. I recommend choosing a warm and inviting color scheme to encapsulate that cozy vibe. To do this, hop into Notion and start a new page. Choose an aesthetic cover image, something that evokes feelings of warmth and comfort. You can find such images through a simple web search or platforms like Unsplash. Remember, you want this page to be welcoming every time you open your planner. Once your homepage is set up, it's time to start building the daily planner section. This can be a simple layout with sections for tasks, appointments, and notes. Start by creating a table or list where you can write down your daily tasks. To keep it visually appealing, use Notion's toggle feature. This can help hide or show details as needed, reducing visual clutter. Structure your day with specific time slots if that helps maintain focus and momentum. Having a list of priorities for each day can also keep you on track and ensure that you're focusing on what truly matters. Now let's talk about setting up a habit tracker. This tool is invaluable when trying to build or maintain habits. Within your page, create a table database. List habits you want to track along the rows, with each column representing a day of the week. Consistency is key, so make it a habit to check off or color code each cell as you complete a habit. Use different colors or emojis to make this section feel lively and engaging. Moving on to another vital part of your planner, goals and intentions. Here, you have the chance to focus on your larger objectives. Consider creating a section with short-term and long-term goals. Use specific, measurable terms to define these goals and check them off as you achieve them. It's important to reflect on your intentions regularly. This helps keep them in alignment with your evolving needs and circumstances. Finally, round out your planner with a self-care menu. This page can be a space dedicated to suggestions and ideas that nurture your well-being. List activities that you love or find relaxing, such as reading, meditating, or even just taking a walk. By having it in your planner, you ensure that self-care remains part of your routine and not an afterthought. In conclusion, by creating a cozy homepage, daily planner, habit tracker, goals and intentions section, and self-care menu, you're crafting a unique planner tailored to your needs. Take your time to personalize each element, and remember to continuously adjust the planner as your priorities shift. Happy planning!